Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. It's Monday, July 13th, 2026, and today we are watching physical AI stretch into three new frontiers. A bird-inspired robot from MIT, Chinese humanoids clocking in inside European EV factories, and a startup betting video games can give robotics its ChatGPT moment. First up, engineers at MIT have built a flapping wing robot that flies through the air, dives underwater, and then breaches back into stable flight like a puffin. The hard part is the transition. Water is roughly 800 times denser than air, so a wing tuned for one is wrong for the other. Puffins survive that trade-off with clever scaling, matching wing area, beat frequency, and body mass just right. MIT reverse engineered those relationships and put them into one small flapping wing platform. The result is a robot that can swim at depth, aim upward, punch through the surface, and keep flying. That opens up ocean monitoring, search and rescue over water, and missions where one machine moves between two very different worlds without a boat in the middle. Story 2, according to Gazgoo, Chinese humanoid robots are being deployed inside European new energy vehicle manufacturing facilities. UBTech's Walker S line is the poster child. Chinese-built humanoids already validated on domestic EV lines, now crossing an ocean into scrutinised European plants. EV assembly is a natural fit. Battery pack handling, wire harness routing, and inspection tasks that vary by model. Washington is debating whether Chinese robotics hardware should even be allowed on sensitive US floors. Europe, hungry for automation, is moving the other direction. Every month, a Walker S runs cleanly inside a European plant is track record that hardens into political armour. Story 3, a startup called General Intuition, profiled by TechCrunch, thinks robotics is about to have its ChatGPT moment, using video game data. Modern game engines already simulate gravity, friction, and object permanence in enormous 3D worlds, and there are millions of hours of gameplay footage sitting around. Train a foundation model on that, and you get a robot's version of common sense physics, ready to be fine-tuned on smaller real-world datasets. Paradigm just closed a $1.2 billion fund with robotics in the thesis, and Mistral just shipped its first robotics model. If General Intuition is right, every application, warehouse, home, surgical, gets a shorter runway. 3 stories, 1 through line. Robotics is expanding into new environments, new geographies, and new sources of training data. For full write-ups and today's newsletter, hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech.